Look. Is that my yarrow? Got lupins. This is the Shasta daisy. It's looking pretty good. These sticks are done. Ground cover's coming out. Oh, this grass. Did this not make it? The two in the front look great. This thing looks dead as a doornail. Dang it. Oh, man. We got stuff coming up. Now this is the bed that usually gets full of calendula, so we'll have to keep an eye. See how we're not making too much calendula. My Weigela is looking especially dead this year. Sedum's coming back. Hollyhock's got some life on it. I don't see anything yet on the hosta. But see that hollyhock, there's some life there too. Lupins are doing really good. They're one of my first things to flower. We got some in there. That's exciting. Over here, there's my pile. Not much coming up yet over here. The feverfew is greening up again. It looks really good. It's really muddy. I don't want to step in here right now and damage anything. Nothing yet on the lilac, but it should be coming soon, I think. I'm going to sink if I go over there. It's very muddy right now. And this whole patch of Sweet Williams look like they're doing pretty good. I don't know about my snapdragons out back here. What do you think, Dex? Hi. Are you excited for gardening season again? Got some snappies. See if these are still... I'm not going to pull them out because you just never know just yet, right? You just never know. And a lot of these will self-seed because there's a lot of seed heads still on there. So a lot of the snapdragons here are going to self-seed. Oh, I gotta move that pot. It's covering my columbine, I think. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay, so that was a good call because I got I got like stuff coming up there. Oops. So I'm glad I moved that out of the way. And what are you barking at? That's what I thought. And then my peony. Let's see. Oh yeah, look. Look. Got some little, it's like a little lipstick coming up. Little red lipstick coming up. So that's the peony. And look at that. I didn't see that before. Did you see that? My first crocus. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's so exciting. So I have crocus buried there in with the California poppies. Oh, that's exciting. I don't see too much in here. This echinacea's got to come down. I think the birds they've done their deeds with it. The hibiscus will get pruned down. Not today. Still got plenty of time. Oh, we got some calendula seeds sitting here. So if you wonder what a calendula seed looks like, this is what it looks like. That means we're gonna have hundreds in here. Hundreds and hundreds of them. But it will be interesting. Oh, we got a weed. It will be very interesting to see what comes back in here. What's popping through the soil and germinating. So, because I grew a lot of new stuff last year, and I don't know if it self-seeds. What else is going to come back? That definitely looks like my yarrow. That I didn't really do much with last year, and I'm wondering if the status is going to self-sow. That's exciting. So, this is how it looks end of March. Right, Dex? sweet boy. Sweet baby boy. Can you say hi to the camera? So you hope mommy calls you sweet baby boy all summer instead of psycho puppy? Yeah? You wanna go get it? Go get it! Yay! Play fetch with a bamboo? You bring it here? Nope. Bring it here. Throw it. Nope. Oh, okay. There we go. Good boy. Whoop. Oh, no. Keep away. Thank you. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Careful. It's like reluctant fetch. Go get it. Too far? You're being lazy? Are you lazy boy? Are you lazy? Hey, look, we got some kale. Some of the red Russian kale is overwintered. And some, I don't know what that is. Oh, nope. That's a nope. I think that's all that's alive in this whole, in all of these planters. There's a couple things sprouting, but who knows what that's going to be. So these are all still pretty frozen, so we're going to have to wait for things to warm up a little bit more. And then we can plant the peas. Yeah, we're going to come out here with our peas and plant the peas. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Are you excited? Are you excited to plant some peas? Yeah? You're just excited to be out in the garden with mommy. Yeah. Okay, so here's some of the ones I brought out. I put it in this tub, but it's in the shade and it's open here, right? So there's plenty of airflow coming up on the sides. It's still pretty cool out. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 40, 45 degrees. I'll have to double check. This one is just kind of getting a little bit of shade from here. But again, enough airflow, it's not hot in there. I was thinking of putting them in the greenhouse, but the greenhouse is really hot already. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so hot in here. So my husband got all the shelving put in here. He's got his chair because he likes to kind of hang out in here sometimes. When it's really cold out, it's nice and warm in the greenhouse, but when it's not so cold out, it's hot in the greenhouse, and none of the fans are hooked up. So hopefully in the next few days we can get this rolling. So we have the exhaust fans, which will start pulling heat out once it hits like 75. This fan is always on. But this is it's very small in here, but a lot of room for a lot of plants. And hello. Hi. You like coming out in the greenhouse? Look, there's your bed. Dexter's bed's already out in the greenhouse, ready to go. Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. It's hot. Oh my goodness, it's hot. Okay, go. Ooh. That is crazy. So it's got this nice insulated thing there. So this was what was on the outside. It did help keep it, but we got time to wrap this up because I don't like anyone walking this way, right where my peony's coming up. So, see? You guys are gonna be in trouble. You'll be in trouble if that gets smushed. That is not the path. The path is through here. Don't! Dude. Not cool. Alright, well I guess Daddy's gonna be wrapping that up. Yeah? So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.